content policy over here, right? Content related to human tragedies or natural disasters. It's like a big no-no. Okay, rethink it and do not repeat this again, because that will literally get your account terminated, right? And that's something that you don't want to do. All right, guys, so I want to talk about something that's against TOS of Amazon, right? And some of you may not be aware of this. This can get your account suspended, it can get it terminated, and it's against the rules. So I want to bring a little bit more attention to this to help you better understand that this is what you should not do. And if you guys get any value out of this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. There was something recent that happened that's a tragedy, right? It happened in Boulder, Colorado. I just want to touch on this a little bit and just short, straight to the point. You should not be making designs. Anything that's related to that tragedy, do not make designs around that at all. Okay, and we'll go into the computer and show you what you should not do. These are some designs that will basically get your account terminated, suspended, and you will no longer have a Amazon merch account. This is like one of the biggest rules on the platform, right? And they don't mess around with this. I wouldn't even try to even go around it by making any other types of designs. And you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. Maybe you don't, but if you're trying to kind of go around it, like that gray area, it's like you're walking on thin ice right there. So I would not recommend you do this. And I'm going to show you an example so you can help you better understand. Just don't do it. Okay. And how would you know? You just do a Google search, right? And it'll tell you the information. You'll see the article on there. I'm not going to show the damn article in this video, but it will show you just a Google search. Okay. It's a sad event that happened, but literally just doing the research before you start doing the design is the most important part, right? And I always talk about this too, research before you design. And this is part of it, right? And this will help you it will prevent you from getting your account suspended. Okay, just a Google search, like why is this topic trending, right? And it will tell you there's all the news articles on the front page and people talking about it. And you can see the tragedy, you can see the tragedy that happened, right? It's a big policy on Amazon merch. Also, my heart goes out to everyone that lost a loved one. Much love and respect. All right, so someone brought it to my attention in the Facebook group, right? You can see people look at Live, Love, Colorado, Boulder Strong, and this is something that is not cool at all. I kind of made a comment over here. I'll make a YouTube video on this, and this is what you shouldn't do, right? This is exactly what you should not do. Okay, do not do this. Okay, you can see right here. As I come over here to Colorado, Boulder Strong, I come over here, you can see people making designs around this. Okay, like this right here will get you in trouble. Colorado Strong, and yeah, and this is basically, if you think about it, okay, think about it. Why is this topic big right now, and why are people making designs for this right now? Is because of what happened, right? And that's the only reason that this is actually even a design. So if you think about it that way, you're going against the content policy over here, right? Content related to human tragedies or natural disasters. It's like a big no-no. Okay, there it is right there. And I'll put this down below in the description so you guys can kind of check it out and kind of just rethink this, right? If you did it on accident, okay, rethink it and do not repeat this again, because that will literally get your account terminated, right? And that's something that you don't want to do. You want to think about this long term and what you can do to this long term and turn this into a profitable income for you to help whatever it is that you're trying to do with this business. It's doable, but this is not the way to do it. And I just I want to make more content to help people that don't understand this and bring it to their attention. Okay, and like I said, it's just a Google search away. So when you come over here, literally, if you see something like a trend or something that's going on, you search it, and if you see it trending on Google and it's not a good thing, right? If someone's getting hurt or something like that, that's definitely, don't design for it. Don't make any products for it. Don't do none of that. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you. Check out my other videos up here and give this video a thumbs up.